this is the will of God for me. If my mom wants to complain, why is it that your suitors are running away? I told my mom, this is my destiny. Allow me to face it.
Don't be deceived. That is the will of God that you are still looking for job. It's forces of darkness.
My name is Diana Okocha. I'm from Delta State. I based in Rivers State. I heard about this ministry from my very good friend, Pauline.
Do you know her? How do you know her?
She's my friend. I invited her from Port Harcourt.
It's your friend.
Since 2012, we've been friends.
And you invited her from Port Harcourt.
Yes, sir. And what the demon is confessing, I'm aware of it. Because she told me that she has carried like 15 men to, once they collect list, they'll run away. And she was complaining to me today that the younger sister got married and she has 2 children and that she's tired of going to churches. I told her I've been disturbing her since 2 years, that I discover a church that if she comes, her case will be settled.
I heard about this ministry from my very good friend, Pauline. She has been my friend since 2012. When I was in Rivers State, she called me to come. There is a ministry where God used his prophets to work for him, for his people. But I never have any attention or any interest because I didn't believe in all these churches. Due to my experience with pastors and some man of God out there, I never wanted to give her attention, but when I encountered so much problem, and I called my friend that I will be coming to Abuja just to see this particular man of God.
You say you want to take her. Take her to where?
No, she's going nowhere. She's my child. She's going nowhere.
She's your child.
Yes.
As is your child, how do you affect her? Affect her destiny. How do you affect her destiny?
I affected her in so many ways.
So many ways. Explain
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Explain it.
After I took her dad, I affected her in different ways that she can never be settled. Never. I even stopped her from working because I want her to worship me. But she refused. She's so stubborn. I didn't know why she came to this place. She's my daughter. I want her to worship me. She belongs to me.
They were dropping some workers out. I was unfortunate to be one of the staff that they dropped. And that was the day I finished my house project. I was about to do maintenance in Ogun State so that I can move in from being a tenant to my own personal house. So it's just like, let me work for 3 months to have the money so that I can get the money for the maintenance. I just got a determination of appointment, not sack later. So in that dream, I was given a termination of appointment in my dream. So when I waked up, I was like, who did I offend? Why would they sack me from my working place? So I now called my mother. I told my mom that I didn't know this kind of dream. They give me termination of appointment. My mom said I should reject it. And as I reject it in Jesus' name, my mom said I should not even think the word, I should provide it. And I said, the solution to my problem is here. So in that dream, when I turned around, I saw ocean. That was ocean I saw. And I said, why will my destiny be here in that dream? So after 3 days, they started sharing letter in my office. I was working, my boss now called me. I said, Diana, I said, sir, he said, it's quite unfortunate. You are among those that the company have dropped out from work.
She will never be married and she will never have peace of mind. She will never have peace of mind. She will never. I put depression, frustration, confusion in her, which make her to be shattered. She lost her job in Dangote because of me. She never want to worship me. I decided to stop her from working in Dangote cement transport. They are calling others back, but they will never call her back because she don't want to serve me. How would she reject me, her mother? She will never work. She will never resume that work in Dangote anymore. She's mine and mine alone until she will worship me before I will get her all she desires. She is mine.
My mom started going to prayer house to get solution for me. The same story keep on coming. I should do rituals in the river. I should do this. I said, I cannot. I did not believe in all this talk. Let God just fight for me. That if it's my destiny for me to be out of work and for me to remain single, let it be so. So after some days, I said this with my mouth. I was surprised. I dreamed. In that dream, I was told that I should come and worship them. When I worship them, they will restore everything I lost. So that if I could not, I would die after some months. And I rejected it in that dream. I wake up. I was all alone in the house. I start praying, rejecting it. I call my mom. I say, Mommy, I didn't think I'm going to last too. I'm seeing my grave near me. My mom start crying and start rejecting it for me and says that she's coming to meet me in River State, that I should come down to River State. When she came, that was last year, December. So both of us, we stayed till this March. Not long, we just came back. So she now said, what happened is that I should come to chapel. Let's go and pray in the chapel. Let me sow seed. I said, there is no money with me. All the money I have gotten, I'm putting it in that project, hoping that in the next 3 months, when I will get my salary, I will do all the maintenance. I never know that this job will stop. Even my house in Lokoja, I have not finished building it. It's 8 rooms, plus the one I built for my mom. I have not finished the house. The house is just like that. Ogun State is uncompleted, Lokoja is uncompleted. Nobody to help me. And I told my mom, okay, let me go and sell my house in Ogun State so that I can have use the money to finish off the one in Lokoja. But all these things is happening. I did not tell anybody. I did not even, it's only I and my mom that we are just planning it. So my mom now said, okay. She was crying, so okay. If I'm going to sell my house, if it's the will of God, there is no problem. I said, Mommy, I didn't think I will last though, because I'm seeing my grave. What will happen is that I have a younger brother that I'm sponsoring in school when I was working, but now I'm no longer working anymore. That my mom should come and take care of my brother. When I have 600,000 in my account, I said, Mommy, this money, this is my ATM card and this is my checkbook. The only money left with me now is 600,000. My mom asked me, why am I giving her the money? I said, this is all I have. My shop in River State, my younger sister that got married with 2 children, she has no business. And her husband is very poor. He has nothing. I now call my younger sister. I said, this shop I have now is a spam. I have small supermarkets I established after I lost my job. I told my sister, this business belongs to you. My sister was happy, but later she asked me, what happened? Why are you giving my business to you? I said, don't worry, you will not understand. I want you to take care of this business. So later, my mom now said no, that they will not take anything. I called my younger brother, wisdom is school. I said, come. This is my house in Ogun State, and the one in Lokoja belongs to you. In case, if you guys find me, you could not see me, you both should know that I have distributed my things the way I want. So my brother now started crying in the phone, said, why am I talking like this? I said, you will not understand. The document, my land document, I brought it, it's in Lokoja. I said, my land document, I'm bringing it from River State to go and drop with our mother. So that when our mother see the land document, in case if I'm not to be found, he will give the 2 land documents to you as the one I love most. So you will use the house in Ogun State and the one in Lokoja to start a life after your graduation. And I cannot help you more than this. So my mom now said, who will give her food? Who will do this? I said, Mommy, don't worry, I'm not going now. So whenever I stay, I'll be having the feelings that something terrible wants to happen to me.
Stay off from my child. Stay off you.
I have to stay away.
Stay away.
I have to stay away so I can do what to her.
I want to take her back.
You want to take her back?
Yes.
Take her to where?
Yes.
Take
Take her back to me where she come from. Leave her alone. She's mine. I'm mine forever.
You want to take her.
Yes, I'm taking her back very soon. She will not live for a long while now. She will come back to me.
Now I'm going to cast you out. See? Give it. Yes. Give her now. Give her the appointment letter. Yes, our money, our connection, everything. Give it back to her. 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 Yes. Yes. Give it back to her. Give it back to her. Be fast. Yes. Everything that you have seized, give it back to her. Give it back to her and come out now. Yes, begin to go. Yes, begin to go. Begin to go. Go with the child. Go with the child. Go with the child. Go. And not to come back again. Go to the pit of hell. Give the Lord a big hand.
In all, I give God the glory. I came in here as a new member, but God located me unexpectedly. I never expect such miracle and such location among the multitude. I'm so lucky and I appreciate God for everything God has done in my life and in the life of my family.